Hi, welcome to Floxxy's kitchen. Today's recipe is all about how to make Ghanaian tilapia, the smoked and silky one. So here are my ingredients. I have ginger, garlic, onion, and I have pepper here, and then rosemary. So when you come to this place, I have mixed herbs, ground cumin, and then I have black pepper, whole one. And this is my fresh tilapia. So what I'm going to do now is I need to blend all my ingredients. It's going to be yummy, you know. And one of my classmates requested to show her how to do African tilapia. That's your onion, you need to cut it. That's a bit of mixed herbs. If you take it too much, it's going to be tasteless. So anything you are doing, you need to just get a bit by bit. Then you got a bit of cumin, just a bit. It's very strong. Then you add your rosemary. Then you add a bit of water. Blend it until it makes it smooth. You need to blend it until you get smooth like this. Then you get you see that fish? Nobody knows my face, but it looks like me. I cannot tell you. One day I'll show my face. So you need to cut like maybe 4 or 5 because it's too big. Then you turn it like this. You see? Because if you don't cut it like this, the way it is, all the spices will not get inside for you to get the way it's going to be soft and yummy in your famine. After that, you need to give it another proper wash. This is salt and this is your kid or chicken stock. Because of too much salt, you don't need to add 2. You can use 1, and it's optional to use lemon as well. But for me, I don't normally use lemon. Although if maybe you have coconut cream, you can even add it as well. So it's time for seasoning. So you need to get more spicy if you want it. Open all the way you slicing it. So your pepper, ginger, and everything will just go inside. You open this side and you add more. Add your oil. If you don't add oil tilapia is going to be messed up. You know, it's soft, So anything that you are doing, you need to add oil, not too much. See? Yeah. Everybody is invited, though. Please come. Let's all have lunch together. I'll send you my address. Wow. Add a bit of oil, not too much. Because if you don't add the oil, you're going to mess up your tilapia or whatever we call it. So now, you need to cover it for only about 5 to 10 minutes. Then it's ready. Meanwhile, your oven have to be gas mark 180 to 200. You cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Before you put it in the oven. So now it's time to go to the oven. That means banku and tilapia is going to be ready. In my case, they love it so much. They can't wait to eat. So everybody is invited. Please come or let's all sit down and have lunch together. Look at that. How many rates are you going to give me? This is so nice and yummy. Okay. Okay. It's time to put your tilapia in the oven, and we are going to wait till about 25 minutes to make it cool, nice brown, silky tilapia. So we are going to wait for 25 minutes. Okay, so now it's time for this such lovely tilapia. It's about to turn. You need to be extra careful because it's hot, and then if you don't do it properly, you're going to mess up your tilapia. So here you go. Wow. You see? It's actually awesome. It's nice. Succulent. And I've told you guys I'm going to send all my address for everyone to come and have a lunch with me. Hey, this big one is like me. It's not easy at all to turn it. And sauce, just a bit. And you add your oil, just like 1 spoon, like 1 teaspoon of oil. This is what our tilapia came out with, nice and brown and soft ones. We are going to eat for this lunch. This is too much. For example, that's lovely. You see? That's nice. Very nice. yummy. Thanks for watching. And now Benko is not ready. I'll video Benko later on, but please share this video to your friends, and thanks for watching, and subscribe it and share to your friends. You see, it's so nice. I'm going to send the address now. Please, everybody is invited. God bless you, and thanks for watching. Bye.